If these three words confuse you, then in next 60 seconds you will never forget them. Let us understand that by using a food delivery app. Imagine you want to start your own restaurant. The JDK acts like the entire kitchen. It has the chef, the ingredient, the utensil, the stove, basically everything needed to cook food. Similarly, in Java, the JDK contains all the tools that you need for creating a Java program. Now the food is ready, but how will it reach to the customers? And that's where the JRE comes in. The JRE basically acts like a delivery system that runs all your Java program on your computer. But who actually delivers the food? The delivery boy. And in Java, that is JVM. JVM actually takes your code and runs on your computer. So basically, no JVM means no execution. So a quick recap. The JDK means the kitchens and the tools. The JRE means the delivery system. And the JVM is the delivery boy. Now one quick question. Which one do you think actually runs your Java program? JDK, JRE or JVM? Comment your answer below.